How to check in online in Ryanair. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check in online on Ryanair. So first of all, just go to www.ryanair.com or access the Ryanair app application in your smartphone. And after that, just select the check-in option and retrieve your booking. To do this, you must have your Ryanair reservation number and the email address that you used to make a booking. Once you have retrieved your booking, you will then have the opportunity to select and purchase your seat if you haven't already done so. If you wish to bypass this, you should proceed to check-in now. You then must select to either purchase your seat or be randomly allocated a seat for free if your flight is in within 4 days. Once you have selected an option, select continue to either pay for your seat or retrieve your boarding pass, and after that just click on done, and their check-in is complete, and now you can go ahead and download or print your boarding pass and enjoy the trip. So this is how you can check in online in Ryanair. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.